Baby groaning while nursing. Baby groaning while nursing is most often a way for your baby to express themselves since they cannot talk yet. If the groans are making you worried, you might need to take a closer look and figure out what's happening. What causes a baby to groan while feeding? Most noteworthy, apart from crying, your baby is likely to groan while feeding because it is one of the ways in which they can draw your attention. If your baby groans, moans, or even chuckles whenever they feed, it is mainly because they are enjoying their feed. As a result, they might release a sound, more like humming, which you might interpret as moaning. Sometimes your baby will be groaning while you nurse them because they are probably uncomfortable. It is a way to try and alert you of any discomfort they will be going through. Your baby might also groan or moan because of fatigue. It may be because of tiredness from the breastfeeding position they are in. Tiredness tends to make them very fussy and uncomfortable. When all this happens, it results in moaning during feeds. Additionally, your baby might groan while feeding because there could be a fault with the feeding. If they are not properly latched, your baby will swallow wind, which in turn causes pain to your baby as he or she swallows the milk. If your baby gulps a lot of milk, they tend to groan and gulp as they swallow. This also is very uncomfortable for them. Your baby might also be having acid reflux. What should I do if my baby is groaning and moaning while feeding? If your baby whines, groans, and moans while breastfeeding, you can try to lay them on their tummy while on your lap and pat their back. You might need to constantly burp your baby during and after a feeding in order to help get rid of any swallowed wind during nursing in order to alleviate their discomfort. Also, try to gently rub your baby's belly in a clockwise direction and concurrently pull your hands down towards his or her belly curve. This helps to get rid of excess gas in your baby's stomach. This will help soothe your baby's groaning while nursing. In conclusion, it is perfectly normal for babies to grunt and groan in their sleep while feeding and occasionally during the day while they are awake. However, if your baby groaning in sleep continues, you can go ahead and consult a health expert, especially if they appear to be in distress, pain, or grunting with every breath.